So we're taking a little bit of a break of the Polynesian Cultural Center, and we came into yes, that's right, a gift shop. First things first, there's some really interesting things down there, but let's check out some of the art over here. Look at that boat. The bowl down below. That brings a different definition of pubbing, huh?
That is a Tongan club, and this is a pre-COVID piece, and I say that because this is all color. And so the price on that, to be honest with you, would be double at this point.
Okay.
But yes, it was hand carved, and I need to get some lights for the inside of it.
Yeah.
And these just came in. So this is a Fijian dwarf club. And this is all just hand carved here. All of these, this one is a marlin bill.
Okay.
So they would use the fish of the sea, the marlin bill, the swordfish, and create swords and, these weapons. You can see right there where he's using something similar to this.
Yeah.
And of course, these are all authentic pieces that they would use. So this is a local artisan. His name is Brooke Parker. This is an original piece. It is $35,000. And he was 8th generation Brookie Kamehameha. So every tattoo, every headdress, every weapon of war is all authentic to that time frame. His lineage means a lot to him. So the other interesting thing is they weren't protected. Look how vulnerable their bodies were. The knee, the thigh, all of it.
Yeah.
They were so vulnerable to a weapon like this.
Very much so, yeah.
So, anyway.
Well, thank you very much for that information. That was kind of you.
And I'll show you this one too. A lot of people like to see this. It's called a cannibal fork.
Okay.
And this was a royal fork that was used just for the king to take the brains of his enemy and feed it to him. And so that's where devouring your enemy came from. But he wanted all of his enemies to understand, you go against me, this is what's going to happen to you.
Right.
So they would literally, and cannibalism was just abolished in Fiji in 1978.
Yeah.
So it's been out there, and it still kind of is out there on some of those islands.
My mother lived on Papua New Guinea.
I was going to say Papua New Guinea is no.
And
Yeah.
so she stayed in with a lot of cannibalism.
Yeah.
And that's when they tried to weed it out, but and just in the recent years they kind of brought it back.
Exactly. Before the so I just love Well, nice to meet you. You can definitely explore with this. Thank you. We just got some new weapons in, so I get really excited. Yeah. Want to get them, so.
Wooden dolphins. Really nice. Just hang on. Glasses time. $15 American. So $15 for a little carved dolphin. It's actually not a bad looking thing. All right, stick around. We're gonna go check out the other side. I think you get a hint if you look that way. You want to see those